Assalamualaikum, this is me Basit. In this video, I'll be teaching you about the number sequences. Very important from Cambridge point of view, and we must know that what number sequences are. So technically, number sequences is a pattern of numbers followed by a formula. So a sequence is a pattern of numbers followed by a formula. In IGCSE and O levels, we will be studying four types of sequences. In this video, I'll be teaching you only arithmetic sequence, and the next part would be having to the geometric sequence, quadratic ones, and the cubic ones. So let's study one by one. So what is arithmetic sequence? So first of all, we need to understand that what arithmetic sequence is. um, Arithmetic sequence is a type of sequence इसमें we get a next number by adding or subtracting a particular number. So as you can see that we have the number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So automatically we can see that plus 2 is in the rule, right? So means that we saw that we got the next number by adding 2 only. So the sequence is arithmetic. A definition written by me that a type of sequence in which we get the next number by adding or by subtracting a particular number. So formula for the arithmetic sequence is an is equals to a1 bracket n minus 1 into d. So as we can see that we have to make ourselves familiar with the terms that a1 is the first term, a1 is the first term of the sequence, and a d is what? D is the a1 is the first term of the sequence, and d is the common difference. And how can we get the common difference? By subtracting previous from the next. So for example, in the given sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 14, so a1 is the first term, which is 2. We can see it already, but in order to find out the common difference d, we have to select two numbers. For example, if I'm taking 10, so 10 is my next and 8 is my previous ones. So 10 minus 8 is 2. So we got the value of d, which is equals to 2. We have to put the values into this formula like that. So you can see that I wrote 2 in place of a1 and 2 in place of d. So as you can see that this part is in multiplication, so I have to multiply 2 with the bracket. So 2 and minus 2, I can cancel out easily, plus 2 and minus 2. I got the answer for the arithmetic sequence that an is equals to 2n. Find the fifth term. If that can be the part of the question as well, that a5 is equals to 2 times 5, that is equals to 10. In the next example, I also wrote some question that 7, 12, 17, 22, and we saw that there is a difference of plus 5 every number. So the first difference is plus 5. So it means that the sequence is arithmetic. So write the next term. So next term is 27. Find the n term. So an is equals to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So d is the common difference. So we can see that the first term in the given sequence is what? The first term in the given sequence is 7, and d is next minus previous. You have to choose of any two numbers of your choice. For example, if you say 27 minus 22, you get 5. If you see that I wrote 22 minus 17, which is equals to 5, so put the values in the formula. So a1 is 7 plus n minus 1 into d. So d is already 5. So I have to multiply this 5 with this bracket. So as I can see that 7 plus 5 n minus 5. I arranged the question in order to simplify it further. That 7 minus 5 is 2 and 2 plus 5 n. Let's check. For example, I'm gonna check with 4 only. So n is equals to 4. A4 is equals to 2 plus 5 into 4. So 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So that's the final answer for the question. So it means that at fourth place we should have 22. Let's check. Let's go back. You can see that on fourth term I have 22 already written. I hope guys that you understood the concept of the arithmetic sequence. Inshallah, in next video I'll be teaching you guys the geometric sequence and how to find out the formulas of the geometric sequences. Good luck. See you tomorrow.